In this video, we're diving into the world of regular expressions, also known as regex, to explore some common mistakes that beginners often make. Understanding these pitfalls and how to avoid them can significantly improve your regex skills and save you a lot of headaches. So, let's get started and learn how to write more effective and efficient regular expressions. One of the most common mistakes is related to greedy matching. On the left, the pattern less than symbol asterisk greater than symbol is applied to the text less than div greater than symbol hello less than slash div greater than symbol. Due to the greedy nature of the asterisk, it incorrectly matches the entire string from the first less than symbol to the last greater than symbol. This is usually not the desired outcome. Now, on the right, observe the pattern less than symbol asterisk question mark greater than symbol. The question mark makes the quantifier non-greedy. When applied to the same text, it correctly matches less than div greater than symbol and less than slash div greater than symbol separately, which is the more appropriate behavior in many cases. Another frequent error involves character classes. In the incorrect example on the left, the pattern \d plus d plus is used to match decimal numbers in the text 123.45. However, the dot without escaping matches any character, meaning the pattern could also match 123x45. On the right, the corrected pattern \d plus \d plus ensures that the dot is treated literally, matching only decimal numbers and preventing unintended matches like 123x45. Missing anchors is another common mistake. Without anchors, the pattern \d open curly brace 3 close curly brace matches 3 digits anywhere in the string. So when applied to the text ABC 12345 def, it finds 123. This might not be what you want if you need to match the entire string consisting of exactly 3 digits. Using anchors as shown on the right, the pattern \d open curly brace 3 close curly brace $ ensures that the entire string must consist of exactly 3 digits. Now it will only match the string 123 and not part of a larger string like ABC 12345 def. Case sensitivity is often overlooked. By default, the pattern hello will not match hello or hello. As seen on the left, it leads to no match found in the text hello world, because the pattern is case sensitive. The correct approach on the right is to use the case insensitive flag. The pattern hello with the I flag matches hello in the text hello world, as well as hello in any other variation of casing. Failing to escape special characters is another pitfall. On the left, the pattern $100 is intended to match the literal text $100 in the string price $100. However, the dollar symbol has a special meaning, representing the end of the string. The pattern doesn't match anything because it is interpreted as matching the end of the string followed by 100. On the right, the corrected pattern $100 escapes the dollar symbol, treating it as a literal character. Now, the pattern correctly matches the text $100 in the string price $100. Remember to escape characters like dot, caret, dollar, asterisk, plus, question mark, \, open square bracket, close square bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace, open parenthesis, and close parenthesis when you want to match them literally. Using wrong quantifiers can lead to overly complex and inefficient regular expressions. On the left, the pattern \d open curly brace 3, close curly brace is used in the text phone 12345. Although it works, it is more verbose than necessary. This can be simplified using \d open curly brace 3 close curly brace. On the right, we have a quick review of quantifiers. Plus matches 1 or more occurrences. Asterisk matches 0 or more occurrences. Question mark matches 0 or 1 occurrence. Open curly brace and close curly brace matches exactly n occurrences. Open curly brace n, m close curly brace matches between n and m occurrences. Unnecessary group capturing can create unwanted groups and reduce performance. On the left, the pattern open parenthesis https question mark close parenthesis / open parenthesis Asterisk close parenthesis is used in the text https://example.com. This pattern captures HTTPS in Group 1 and example.com in Group 2, which may not be necessary if you only need to match the entire URL. On the right, the pattern open parenthesis $HTTPS close parenthesis / open parenthesis asterisk close parenthesis uses non-capturing groups. The syntax tells the Regex engine not to capture the group, avoiding the creation of unwanted groups. Catastrophic backtracking can cause severe performance issues. On the left, the pattern open parenthesis a plus close parenthesis plus b is applied to the text whack. This pattern has exponential time complexity because of nested quantifiers, which can freeze your application due to excessive backtracking. On the right, the optimized pattern a plus b has linear time complexity and avoids nested quantifiers, preventing catastrophic backtracking and significantly improving performance. To avoid common mistakes, use anchors such as the caret and dollar symbols when matching entire strings. Escape special characters with a backslash to treat them literally. Utilize non-greedy quantifiers such as asterisk question mark, plus question mark, and question mark to avoid overmatching. Avoid nested quantifiers to prevent performance issues and catastrophic backtracking. Always test your regular expression patterns thoroughly with various inputs to ensure they behave as expected. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.